The review tab is useful for, as you can see, the proofing. You say proofing. Proofing has to do with the spelling, checking of spelling, your grammar using thesaurus. You can also use it for comment and some other things like that. Now starting from let's work on this spelling and grammar check. When you are typing, we will see some red or green underline on some words or a sentence, a full paragraph. It's pointing to you, depends on the default language you're using. Is it English UK or the British English or the US English? Now that will determine, signifying, telling you that there is an error in that word or in that sentence, and then it's now left for you to now check, is it true or not. You know, sometimes you are typing English and then there's no for you to use another word, maybe a name, okay, that is not in English. That doesn't mean it's wrong. Now how do we work around this? That is what we are going to do. For example, let me start like this. Now take note, if you type in capital letter, the system is not going to correct your error. It will not underline anything. Let's see that. B holiday tomorrow. Okay, no correction. So let's convert it back to maybe sentence, and you see it. So if you are expecting correction from your system, underline your errors, then don't type in capital letter. You might later convert it to capital letter if that is what you want to use, but initially why not type in a sentence case and see where error might comes up, so you'll be able to correct it, and later you can highlight and change it back to your uppercase. Now how do we correct this mistake? And that is what the first thing we have under the spelling and grammar check. There's a long process, there's a fast way of doing that. If you want to use the fast way, you just right clicking, okay, and then you see option there. It suggested some words for you. Is that what you mean too? They are there, and then if it is correct based on language, maybe the language is not the language you're using on your system as at that time, you can ignore it, or preferably if it is a personal system, you can add it to dictionary, so that when next you type such word, it will not underline it again. Okay, now I need to type there will, highlight, right click the right button on your mouse. Okay, if you go through the long process, just almost the same thing, you see ignore, add to dictionary, make changes. So the suggestion is there, holiday, and I'll type change, then tomorrow I'll make a change, and it tell me spelling and grammar check is complete. Another useful features here is a thesaurus, and then thesaurus and resides under the same heading. Now here it is. When you check it now, you see, okay, all of them is there, and that is recited. Now the usefulness of thesaurus in there is that we want to use another word instead of the one we have there. Instead of just clicking and click there, I can come here, I can type at anything. Which means if I don't want to use holiday, I can use vacation, leave, turn off, depends on the sentence you're constructing. You can see in there the label is this noun, this verb, and like that. Now if it is a word that need opposite, for example come, okay, you say come, then come, okay, is having an antonym, leave. Okay, come is approach, could be move towards, it could be draw closer, depends on sentence. It could be arrive, appear. Then opposite is leave, opposite is go. So that is is a word that require and what's in opposite. Now the translate is not working that much effective. Just the translate from, let's say, English to France. Does it work? No. So that is not that is for the word can language set. If you want to say the language, which we did under the introduction as well, still the same thing. Count the number of words we have in there. You see it? You are going to have the same thing there. Characters, these are the character with space, character without space, page, words. So okay, I think I highlight, sorry about that. Okay, count words. So the character with space and character without space. The number of words is 5, the number of pages, just like we have it here, the number of line and number of paragraph. It's going to show you everything in there. And translate screen, translation screen setup. Okay, nothing happens there, and that's what we have here. Okay, then we also have opportunity for comment. You prepare a document and you want to make reference to a word, a sentence, a whole paragraph, just highlight it, okay, and click on the comment. Then you'll be able to explain yourself further in here. That is comment. Then the comment, you can delete the comment, previous document, next document. And we have the tracking. Okay, so track changes option. Then what is balloon? What kind of balloon do you want to show? Only comment and formatting in balloon, show all revision line, show revision in balloon. So that is, I think that's the default there. You can delete the comment if you don't want to. I think those are the things you need to work on under the reviews aspect of our tutorial. Thank you.